Hello everyone, I'm Serena. In today's video, we are going to introduce the important machine, the effervescent tablet tube filling machine. It is designed to fill the produced effervescent tablet into the tube at the speed of the 120 bottles per minute. It plays a crucial part in the pharmaceutical and chemical and other industry, and it helps greatly with the productivity and the product quality. If you need an efficiency, automated, reliable, and convenient machine for your filling effervescent tablet into tube for your business, then let's keep watching. First of all, let's take a look at the main process of this machine. At the beginning stage, the tablet produced by the tablet pressure machine are transported on a conveyor belt to the top feeder, and then to the doser. Here, the doser is vibrated to ensure that the tablet enters the tube loader's lower discharge chute, and we have the flexibility to adjust the number of lower discharge chutes as needed. We can see that the machine also supplies the bottles and cups. The guide rail is equipped with sensors that will automatically stop feeding once too many cups or bottles are detected, ensuring the stability of the production process. During the filling stage, the cylinder pushes the tablet into the tube, while the top sensor is used to detect the tube position and the number of tablets. After introducing the main process of the machine, let's talk about the advantage of the machine. We can see the machine's entire body is made of C04 stainless steel, which meets the GMP production requirement. Secondly, it can be disassembled for transportation. It is packaged in part during transportation to ensure that the product is not damaged or overturned. Finally, the machine size is small and covers a small area. This allows machine to flexibility apply different things and the working environment to meet different needs. By using this machine, can greatly improve productivity, reduce labor costs, and enhance product quality and consistency. We promise to only produce high-quality production. All products are produced on assembly line, and the assembly process is strictly executed according to European and American standards. Thank you for watching this video. I believe the effervescent tablet tube filling machine will be very helpful on your production line. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to ask us. Thank you. Bye.